Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start blogging for free in 2024 and how you can get started and set up your blog in under 2 minutes. So I'm going to go through the setup process now. I'm in Wealthy Affiliate where I get all my training for my blog. They've been online for 18 years, and it's all expert training within this platform. You can do it all for free to get started. So let's go into websites. Very, very simple to do. And you go into Site Builder. It doesn't have to be a blog. It can even be a niche website if you've got a passion or an interest. I'm in the make money online niche, but they will teach you how to become successful in any niche. Go into free domain. See how simple this is. Step 2, choose a name. So for referencing this, let's just call it my blog. And then that would be your URL. Enter a title. So just for reference today, let's call it my blog. That's the next step. And then all you've got to do after that is simply choose a design. And you'll see here there's 6,000 designs. If you want to demo one, just click on here and see what it looks like. This is the one I use, Generate Press. I'll just show you my blog shortly and all the what they've taught me in Wealthy Affiliate. So we like that one. That's a nice one there. So all we're going to do is let's go down here, choose a design, my blog. Let's go and choose theme. That's it there, choose theme. Then we go on step 5, ready to build. So you've got your URL. You've got your theme that you can change at any time. That's not going to be permanent. And then just click on here, build my website. And hold tight, we're building you something amazing. So while this is loading up, I'll just show you a couple of things inside of here. The level of training is absolutely superb. You'll see here how it works. You choose an interest, so it doesn't have to be make money online. It can be anything you're passionate about. They teach you how to build a blog or a niche website. Will make you look like a pro. They teach you how to get traffic so you can start making money right away, and they'll teach you how to monetize your website. So let's just go back here and see if that's loaded up. And awesome, your website is installed and ready to go, and you just log in there. You've got all your details down here. It's all on a free domain. And it's really just as simple as that. So let's just have a look here inside some of the training. Well, first of all, this is my blog. This is what I've created within the Wealthy Affiliate platform on WordPress. Everything you see on here is what I've learned within the Wealthy Affiliate training. So they've taught me how to get free automated traffic through the search engines. They've taught me how to put all these different menus in down here, how to put my YouTube channel on here. They've taught me how to do recent posts down here. They've taught me how to put this table of contents. So if somebody comes onto one of my blog posts and they want to go on to step 1, they just go onto there and it will scroll down here. This little feature in the bottom right hand corner scrolls back to the top. So they've taught me how to put YouTube videos into my content, how to put banners on the blog. So everything, all these little features here, how to write the content to get ranked in the search engines and get automated traffic. So while I'm at my full-time job, this is working for me. The search engines are picking up on my content as well, so I'm getting free automated traffic. So everything within this blog that they've taught me within Wealthy Affiliate. So it's not just to do with WordPress blogging as well. These are all the different classes. There's live trainings, there's replays. It's a one-stop shop for everything on how to make money online. So they're up to date on all the latest AI, how to rank, speed up your search engine success in the top 3 search engines, Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Become an expert at building beautiful looking WordPress sites. There's all the niche research. If you want to do paid traffic here, YouTube and social media video marketing, create high ranking, high converting and captivating content. These are all classes on each, on every single subject on how to make money online. There are classes by experts. Affiliate marketing, all the social media marketing's here: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, Pinterest, etc. Email and funnel marketing, building email lists, how to follow up, how to do funnels. It's a one-stop shop really, and totally free to join. So if you've got a passion, hobby or interest, then the link in the description will take you to this page here. Everything's built around the engine, the hubs, the AI, making money, your website, the community and the training. The community, if I go back over here, is absolutely superb. If I go back onto the home page and show you here the live chat. This is live chat 24 hours, 7 days a week. Members in here, members helping members. So there's lots of people just helping each other become successful. And even the owner, Kyle, the owners, Kyle and Carson, who have been in here for 18 years, they're live within that chat as well. They're totally accessible. So it's really a superb platform to help you become successful in making money online. I joined because it's got 18 years in business. I like to join platforms that are recognised, and I know I'm going to get the great help and support and training that I need. So perfect for both beginners and experts alike. Everything, the link in the description will take you to this page here, and endless opportunity and zero risk. So no credit card required. Start building now, totally free. So if you've enjoyed today's video, well, first of all, let's just talk about the income disclaimer. We're not making any income claims in this video, just showing you what works for me and the members of Wealthy Affiliate. So it's free to join Wealthy Affiliate, but we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member and also use the training to make money online. If you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about Wealthy Affiliate, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. But I just recommend you set up a free account here. Just come into the members area, have a really good look round at all these tabs across the top. A lot of information when you first join, but just take it one step at a time, and just have a really good look. So as a free member, just start going through the training and set up a blog and just see if it's something that you think it's going to help you make money online for the long term. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.